Sir, I'm Konika Khatwa. My roll number is 37. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to describe the science in daily life, sir. My first slide is science in daily life. As I have given the pictures of different things that is related to the science, and we can easily say that human life is actually related to science, starting from the birth to the end of the life. Everywhere the science is present, like if we are sending the rockets, we are talking about the space science, we are talking about the electricity, or the agricultural system, or the medical science. Everything is now depending on the science. So we can say that science is present in everywhere in modern life. So next, move to the second slide, sir. My next slide is science in everywhere. Now I have given the pictures of the commercial slides, mass production, and these all are depending on the science. Like we can use the commercial slides to go everywhere within a 2 or 3 hours, and we can have the mass production. Also some medical science, and also the internet system that has actually made the world very close to each other. It has enriched the communication system. Also the mobile, labs, televisions, radios, and also the debit and credit card that we are actually using abundantly in our daily life. It is very useful for the online money transaction. So everywhere we can see that the science is present. So science is everywhere present. Now my next slide is that science is playing a very important role in every aspect of life. If we are considering our own life, or anyone's daily life, that we can see that if we are using the electricity in our house, we are using the bulb, we are using the fan, we are having some medicine, and in our kitchen we are using some kitchen gadgets, and when we are traveling we are using bus, and also when we are actually transaction, we are doing the money transaction, we are using credit card, everything. This all are depending on all are related to the science. So we can say that science is playing a very important role in every aspect of daily life. Now move to the next slide, sir. This is a very important part, that electricity, according to me, sir, electricity is the most important blessings of science, because everything that we are using, that we are actually saying that science is helping us, is depending on the electricity. So the invention of electricity is the most important invention of science, and it has changed our life, and it has made our life more easy and comfortable. I have given the pictures of different electrical gadgets that we use. Even the car, we are using battery, and also the laptop, cooler, everything which is related to our daily life and in the industrial life also, that all are depending on the electricity, and electricity is the invention of modern science. Now move to the next part. Thank you. Thank you. Next is about the communication. Communication has developed by the use of science. Now today we can talk from one end of the world to the another end of the world within a few seconds. So we can say that communication system has enriched very much by the help of the science. Now we know that we are using the artificial satellites, we are using the modems and internet systems and everything. Now if we consider the now present situation that we are doing the Google Meet, that is also a communication system is enriched by the help of the science. So communication is very much developed by the use of the science. Now move to the next slide, is about the machines that science has gifted us. There are different aspects of life, like industrial life, our daily life, our office life. Everywhere we can see that we are using different type of machines, and these machines are the bless of science. Now in the kitchen we use different type of kitchen gadgets like mixer grinder, toaster, everything we use in the kitchen, that is the help with the bless of the science. In the office we use the computers. Industry they use the crane to lift the heavy materials, and also very simple tools like scissors and the saw that we use in our daily life, that is also the blessing of science. Now move to the next one, that's about the medical science, which is very important part of our life. That medical science has developed widely with the help of the science, because nowadays we don't only use the medicines, but also the doctors are using different type of machines to detect to diagnose the patient's condition very easily and very promptly. And we are using different type of machines like CT scan machines, oximeter, different type of monitoring machines, and also blood analyzers and genetic material samples analyzers. So these all are helping the doctors to treat the patients very easily and also very quickly, so that we can save the lives of the people. Now come to the technology. Now whatever we have said about till now, all are depending on the technology that science has gifted us. And now if you are talking about the communication, we are using the World Wide Web now to reach any website very easily. We can use the computer, everything. Also, actually the internet is the most important thing that has made every technology very useful in our daily life. So we can say that science has blessed mankind with a different technology that has a revolutionary impact on the whole mankind. Now move to the next one. That is also very important part, as we all know that agriculture is the main fundamental of a nation. So agriculture field has been very much benefited with the help of the science. Now we can see that earlier the people had to depend on the only manpower, on the cows to cultivate the field. But we know today we are using different very developed machines like tractor, and also there are so many different machines that are using in the agriculture field. Also we can see that modern watering system are used in the field, and also we use now some very enriched fertilizer to increase the production in the agriculture field. So from everywhere if you see that agriculture has been developed very much by the help of the science. Now move to our very own kitchen, sir. Now earlier we have only depend on the very conventional way of cooking, like using burning of the wood or coal. But today we are using LPG gas. We are using stove, different kitchen gadgets that has made our cooking very easy. It is also saving our time, and as well as it is also saving our life, because we know that the smokes are very unhealthy for the health. But now today almost every house we can see they are using the LPG gases or the induction heater. Everything that is related to the modern science is actually helping the kitchen, and it is improving our life also. Now come to the online. My next slide is about the online money transaction. That is now we all are in a very on lockdown situation, that still we are doing our daily work. How we are doing? We are using the online money transfer facilities. We are using the ATM, and we don't have to go to the bank all the time to draw the money. We can use our online money transaction. We are using the debit card, credit card. These all are very helpful. It has saved our life. It has also made our life very enriched with the development, that we can say we are a people of developed country. So we can say that science has actually enriched our life and developed our life, and online money transaction is one of the example of that. Now come to the conclusion that as we have seen that science has very important role in our daily life, so we should know how to use the science. We should use the science properly. We should not. We should be very careful using the science, because science, if we are misusing it, it can destroy the whole mankind. So we should use the blessings of the science properly to save the world, sir. Now that's all about my presentation, sir. Thank you.